Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
AI is no longer a concept of tomorrow. It is rewriting every aspect of the world as we know it.
Every day, AI is helping people build online income streams that once felt out of reach.
Experts are calling it the next gold rush, and you're either in or left behind.
Let me ask you something. When's the last time you saw a video on Facebook? A meme, a clip that got millions of views and thought, who's really making money off this? It's not the celebrities. It's not the big companies. It's not even the people you recognize. It's a handful of nobodies. Average, everyday people. People like you, sitting at their desk with a coffee in hand. People who figured out a secret system. A silent engine working behind the scenes. A system built around 3 simple moves. Click, copy, post. That's it. That's the game. And now, anyone can play. You've seen the numbers. You've seen the headlines. But you don't know the system. Because we built something the experts don't want you to have. A way to piggyback off viral content, make it your own with AI, automate the process to grow faceless pages and get paid for the traffic you drive. No face, no experience, no special skills. We've used this to build accounts from 0 to thousands in days. We've gone viral again and again without showing up once on camera. And the best part, while everyone else chases, scrolls, and dreams, you just click, copy, post. And here's the wildest part. You've already seen these pages. Dog pages with 1 million shares on a single funny meme. Basketball pages dropping highlight reels and memes, blowing up your feed. Sarcasm pages posting those too real jokes everyone tags their friends in. But who's running them? Not brands, not celebrities. Just ordinary people. People like you, sitting at home, sipping coffee and posting every morning. And every time people like, share, or comment, their content gets pushed further. And that's what gets them paid by Facebook. They don't show their face. They don't need original ideas. They just post what works. Pages like Happy Paws, Hoops Highlights, Daily Dose of Sarcasm. No names, no faces, just viral content and crazy engagement. And here's our secret. We use AI to tap into what's already blowing up, remix it, and launch our own hyper-viral pages. All without coming up with a single original idea, having a following, or needing any special skills at all. If you can type and click, you can use the same click, copy, post system we built and start getting paid by riding what's already working. But here's the real problem. You've probably tried making money online before. Maybe you bought some course that promised easy income, followed a bunch of steps, and still ended up with nothing to show for it. Or maybe you keep hearing about AI, how it's changing everything, but no one ever explains how to actually use it to get paid. And so you're stuck, scrolling every day, wondering what's real, trying to figure out what actually works. Now here's the crazy part. You've been sitting and scrolling on a gold mine the whole time, a multi-billion-dollar website. Facebook. Most people have no idea you can even get paid to post on Facebook. That you can earn real money from Meta, a multi-billion-dollar company, just by building the right kind of page like we do. posting the right kind of content like we figured out, and letting the algorithm do its thing. You don't need to start with any followers, you don't need to show your face, you don't even need original content ideas, because we figured out how to let AI do the heavy lifting, and we turned it into a copy and paste system anyone can use. The rules have changed. The gatekeepers are gone. And if you're watching this, you're already ahead of everyone else. We're not promising you overnight riches, or that you'll make any income at all. After all, we don't know you. You could be lazy as a sloth, or unable to follow simple steps. But what we do promise is this. If you're dedicated, you don't have to figure it all out on your own. Yes, you still have some work to do, but we will give you our formula, our system, and you can learn the exact strategies we use to find and build hyper-viral pages by copying our Click Copy Post AI system, which we've laid out for you in our official My Socials Pay blueprint. Inside My Socials Pay, you'll get a complete step-by-step blueprint, including how to launch your first faceless viral page from scratch, even if you've never posted before. The exact AI tools we use to find, rewrite, and schedule viral content. Our plug-and-play page formula, what to post, when to post, and how to blow up the algorithm. How to unlock Facebook's creator payout program and get paid for content. Plus multiple monetization methods. Learn the different ways we are using to monetize our pages outside of just getting views, which we personally use to help us earn money, even if one of our posts doesn't go viral. And the best part? This isn't theory. You're getting our exact system step by step, click by click, with nothing held back. We show you everything by looking over our shoulder, how we find memes and quotes that are already going viral, how we tweak them with AI to make them original and safe to use, and how we post them to faceless Facebook pages using a system built for simplicity and consistency. No complicated funnels, no tech headaches, no talking on camera, no influencer nonsense. Just a simple, repeatable process that we personally use and that's helped us build pages that get traction, grow quickly, and give us multiple ways to monetize our faceless pages. And yes, this works even if you're starting from zero. No prior experience, no previous following, no charisma required. Of course, this isn't magic. You'll need to follow the steps, put in some time, and stay consistent. But if you do, you'll have a real system for building faceless pages the smart way, powered by AI and optimized for simplicity. All you need is the blueprint we hand you, and a few spare minutes a day to put it into action. The My Socials Pay blueprint you're about to get access to is the exact same blueprint we used to go from 0 to 319,435 followers in just 7 months on a brand new faceless Facebook page. And we're not talking about viral dance videos or weird hacks. We did it using the same simple memes and quotes you'll see inside, with over 31 million views in just 28 days on one page alone, all using our Click, Copy, Post system, all powered by AI, and all without showing our faces, coming up with original ideas, or being a master at creating viral content. Now, we're not saying you'll get 31 million views. We're just showing you what's possible when you follow the system and stay consistent. Now let's talk about the price. This kind of system, we could have easily priced it at $997, and it would have been worth every penny, especially when you consider how many different ways you can use this to monetize your own viral pages. In fact, $497 was our original launch price, and even then, it would have been a no-brainer for anyone serious about using AI to build a real, faceless, viral page. But since this is the first time we're opening the doors to the public, and because we want fast action takers to get in early and start seeing results, you're getting access to the full My Socials Pay blueprint today for just $247, one-time payment, lifetime access. But that's not all you're getting. We're also hooking you up with these limited-time bonuses to make sure you can hit the ground running to make this even more of a no-brainer. Bonus number 1, My Print Empire. This is our step-by-step guide to launching a profitable print-on-demand business, perfect for turning your Facebook page into a product-selling machine, without needing inventory, customer service, or any tech headaches. Real value, $247. Bonus number 2, the monetization roadmap. This bonus shows you exactly what to post, when to post it, and how to turn content into consistent income, even if you're starting with zero experience and zero followers. Real value, $97. Bonus number 3, top 4 profit niches. Not sure what kind of page to build? We'll show you the 4 most profitable niches for faceless Facebook pages and give you a simple strategy to pick the one that's right for you. Real value, $47. Altogether, that's $391 in free bonuses, stacked on top of the full My Socials Pay blueprint, which means you're getting a total value of $1,388 for just $247 today. And if you're still on the fence, let's make this a no-brainer. We know there's a lot of hype online, a lot of empty promises, but this isn't one of them. This is the exact system we use to build faceless Facebook pages that generate real traffic and real income. And we're so confident it can work for you too, that we're backing it with a full 30-day risk-free guarantee. Here's how it works. Go through the training, try it out, post content, use the tools, put the system to work on your own page. And if you don't love it, if you've followed the steps and don't see progress, just reach out, show us you gave it a real shot, and we'll give you a full refund. No games, no runaround, no fine print. If it doesn't help you grow, we don't deserve your money. It's that simple. So yes, you can join today with zero risk and total confidence.
Hey guys, my name is Mark and I am a father of 5 children and I work full-time. In the past couple months, I decided to come online to try to find a way to make more money so that hopefully I could spend more time with my family. And that's when I discovered My Social Pays. And what it's done for me in 1 week, because today is the 1 week anniversary of joining, is my new page I started from scratch now has 1,500 followers. It has 16,000 views, and it has over 2,000 engagements on all my content. But not only that, is this week using My Social Pays, I actually made $404. So this was step by step, super simple, and I'm very grateful for everything I've been able to achieve with it. Thank you guys.
So if you're still watching this, you already know this is something you want to do. You just needed to see that it's real, that it works for people just like you. Well, you've seen it. You've seen the results. You've seen the blueprint. Now it's your turn. Click the button on this page and let's get you started today.
Hi, my name is Curtis, and I wanted to take a moment to give my thoughts on the course My Socials Pay. It was just over 2 weeks ago that I purchased the course. I also got in the mentorship program. And let me say the information inside is absolutely worth its weight in gold. I have taken the information, the training that they have provided, and I have built a theme page that already in 13 days has surpassed 6,500 followers. I've implemented the strategies that they teach to find engaging posts and to use those posts to interact with your audience. And I've got multiple posts on my page that have surpassed 4, 5, and even 600 engagements. Let me tell you, this thing is absolutely blowing up. I'm looking forward to continuing to dig in as I learn different ways to monetize the page and to continue to grow and to build my following. So thank you, Angie and Ben, for the great content that you've put together. And I am absolutely looking forward to what the future holds.
Hi, my name is Michelle, and I'm here to tell you about my experience with My Socials Pay. I have created numerous social media accounts over the years with no real effective plan, and therefore haven't really had any success at it. The past few months, I have been watching Angie grow her social media account and get monetized, and I was really excited about it. So I was very excited to hear that she created the course to spill all the secrets, and I purchased it right away. I started about 8 days ago, and right now I have over 1,000 followers, and I have over 15,000 views on my content, as well as tons of engagement, which I've never had before. So, like, I'm ecstatic. And, I know it's going to take a little while with consistency, but, it was just really easy to follow the system, the short videos, and it's a super easy course to follow. And I look forward to the months ahead and hopefully getting monetized very soon.
You've seen the blueprint. You've seen the proof. And now you've got two options. You can keep scrolling through Facebook, watching other people go viral, or you can be the one getting paid. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to go viral on day one. You just need to get started. So click the button below. Join my socials pay, and let's build your first faceless page together.